In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export to Excel from Smartsheet. If you have information in Smartsheet and you need to work with it in Excel, exporting is a straightforward way to do it. You can use this when you want to sort data, run calculations, or share a spreadsheet format with others who primarily use Excel. To begin, open your sheet in Smartsheet. Make sure you are looking at the specific Smartsheet that contains the data you want to export. It helps to take a second here to confirm the sheet is the right one, because you will be exporting exactly what you see in that sheet. When you are ready, move your attention toward the top area of the interface, where the menu options are located. Next, click File. The File menu is where Smartsheet places actions related to saving, exporting, and downloading your work. Clicking File usually opens a panel or drop-down with several options. As you open it, you may notice items like sharing, downloading, or exporting. This is the place you want to be because the option to export your sheet is found within that menu. Take a moment to ensure you see the file options clearly on screen before you choose the next step. Once the file menu is open, click Export. This step tells Smartsheet that you do not just want to save or view the sheet, but you want to convert and download it in a format that works in other applications. The export area may show different export choices depending on what Smartsheet supports for your sheet type. The main goal is to locate the option that downloads your sheet in a format that Excel can open. After you click Export, watch for the download format indicator. In many cases, the file is prepared immediately, or Smartsheet may prompt you with the resulting file type. For this process, the important detail is that the file should download as Excel. That means the export is coming out in an Excel-compatible format, which you can then open in Microsoft Excel or in another spreadsheet program that supports Excel files. While the download completes, you can also look at the file that appears in your browser or your Downloads folder. Depending on your settings, you may see a download bar at the bottom of your browser window or a prompt near the top or middle of the screen. If you have multiple downloads happening at once, it can help to confirm that the newest downloaded file is the one you just exported. When the download is finished, you can open the exported Excel file to verify everything transferred correctly. It is normal for the layout to come through in a way that is easiest to edit in Excel, and your columns and rows should be preserved based on the sheet data. If you notice anything unusual, you can return to Smartsheet and repeat the export. But in most cases, the Excel file will open cleanly. Now you have completed the key actions. Open your sheet, click File, and then click Export so the file downloads as Excel. That is the core workflow for exporting from Smartsheet to Excel, and that covers everything you need to know.